The Chakma people are a part and parcel of India. But India should also realize that India will never be complete till we do not give the Chakma people the right for Chittagong hill tracks, Kaptai Dam, what has happened to the Chakma people, and we need to also ensure, jo Nirupam Chakma ne bola, you are not bound by boundaries. There are Tiprasas in Bangladesh, there are Maitais in Bangladesh, there are Garos in Bangladesh, there are Kukis in Bangladesh, there are Chakmas in Bangladesh. All of them want to be with us. Yet we keep on surrendering to these people who will never love us, who will never accept us, who will try to change the way we look, what we eat, our religion, and yet various governments do not have the guts to fight for what is the right reality. It will change. And I hope जो आपका second round होगा, debate, talk, but don't be afraid, डरो मत, क्योंकि जो डर गया वो मर गया, और डरो मत.